Big thunderstorm behind there, pushing up the dust. Ooh, this is not a good looking one. Okay, this is getting huge. Look at that dust storm, this haboo. Wow. Oh, holy smokes. Look at that dust storm coming way over there and moving north. Holy smokes, it's gonna hit. Wow. That's a lot of dust. I was hoping it would miss us. I don't think it will. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Wow, the wind's picking up. Ooh, that's gonna hit hard. Look at that. Jeez. West wind is saving me. Holy smokes. It's like just a few blocks from my house. That's crazy. Straight ahead, or straight up. Ooh. Got dark. My yard lights went on. Alright, dust has passed. Now I got heavy rain and wind. Daylight kinda. Ooh, the pool is an absolute mess. Yeah, mud everywhere.